Planning a trip to Milan? This bustling city is a treasure trove that offers a unique blend of historical grandeur and modern charm. Let's dive into the heart of Italy, where we find Milan, a city that's a magnet for artists, fashionistas, and history buffs alike. With its rich history and diverse culture, Milan is more than just Italy's fashion capital. It's a vibrant city that is home to some of the world's most renowned landmarks. Over the next few minutes, we'll take you on a journey through the cobblestone streets of the Navigli district, the imposing walls of the Sforza Castle, the legendary dining room of Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, the opulent Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, and the awe-inspiring Duomo di Milano. Each of these places holds a piece of Milan's soul, telling a story of its past and present. Ready to embark on a journey to explore the top 5 must-visit attractions in Milan? Stay tuned. Starting at number 5, we have the vibrant Navigli district, a hub of culture and nightlife. As the sun sets, this charming neighborhood flickers to life, revealing a thriving scene that's as picturesque as it is energetic. The heart of this district is its intricate network of canals. These canals, once the lifeblood of Milan's commerce, are now lined with a diverse array of restaurants, boutiques, and art galleries. The Navigli district isn't just about the nightlife, though. Its rich artistic heritage is palpable, with many studios and workshops nestled among the eateries and shops. This is a place where you can enjoy a scrumptious Italian meal, shop for uniquely Milanese keepsakes, and immerse yourself in local art, all in one afternoon. The district is a testament to Milan's ability to marry the old with the new, tradition with innovation. Immerse yourself in the lively ambiance of the Navigli district, a must-experience spectacle in Milan. Coming in at number 4 is the Sforza Castle, a testament to Milan's rich history. This fortress-like castle, standing tall and proud, once served as the residence of the Sforza dynasty, who ruled Renaissance Milan. A marvel of 15th-century architecture, the castle's robust structure and intricate details tell a tale of power and prestige. Diving deeper into its history, Sforza Castle was built by Francesco Sforza, Duke of Milan, on the remnants of a 14th-century fortification. A symbol of Sforza's might and Milan's resilience, the castle has withstood wars, invasions, and the passage of time. But there's more to this castle than its imposing exterior. Inside it houses several museums, each offering a glimpse into different aspects of Milan's history and culture. From the Museum of Ancient Art, housing masterpieces of sculpture and goldsmithery, to the Museum of Musical Instruments, showcasing a vast collection of instruments from different eras and continents. Step back in time and delve into the history of Milan at the Grand Sforza Castle. Our third stop is at the Convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie, home to Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. This famed mural, painted between 1495 and 1498, is a breathtaking sight that continues to captivate millions. The Last Supper displays the emotional intensity of the moment Christ announced one of his disciples would betray him. A testament to Da Vinci's genius, the intricate details and realistic depictions are a marvel to behold. This masterpiece, however, is more than just a painting. It's a snapshot of a pivotal moment in religious history, bringing a sense of immediacy and drama to the scene. The Convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie, where this masterpiece resides, holds its own allure. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a testament to Renaissance art and architecture, just as The Last Supper is a testament to Leonardo's unparalleled skill. Witness the genius of Leonardo da Vinci in this world-renowned piece of art. Second on our list is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a paradise for luxury shopping enthusiasts. This architectural marvel, named after the first king of the Kingdom of Italy, is a testament to Italy's rich history and penchant for grandeur. Built in the late 19th century, it's one of the world's oldest shopping malls, boasting a stunning glass-vaulted arcade that's a spectacle in its own right. But it's not just the architecture that draws crowds. This place is a mecca for high-end shopping, housing an array of luxury brands that are synonymous with style and elegance. From Prada to Louis Vuitton and Versace to Gucci, the Galleria's corridors are lined with the glittering storefronts of the world's most coveted designers. Whether you're indulging in some retail therapy or simply soaking up the opulent surroundings, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is a must-visit. Experience the epitome of luxury in the heart of Milan at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. At number 1 we have the iconic Duomo di Milano, a symbol of Milan's architectural grandeur. Immerse yourself in the history of this stunning cathedral, which took nearly 6 centuries to complete, from the 14th to the 20th century. The Duomo di Milano stands as one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world. Its intricate marble facade and towering spires, a testament to the craftsmanship of the ages. Take a moment to appreciate the cathedral's impressive architecture featuring more than 3,000 statues and 135 spires. The ornate details are a sight to behold, each carving telling its own unique story. Elevate your experience by ascending to the rooftop. The breathtaking views of Milan from the top are unparalleled, offering a panoramic perspective of the city's skyline. This cathedral is more than just a religious site, it's a cultural icon and a beacon of Milan's rich heritage. Marvel at the architectural masterpiece that is the Duomo di Milano, a must-visit for any traveler to this beautiful city. And there you have it, the top 5 must-visit attractions in Milan. We've taken a stroll along the picturesque canals of the Navigli district, a hub of creativity and nightlife. We've marveled at the grandeur of the Sforza Castle, a testament to Milan's rich history and the pivotal role it played in the Renaissance. We've stood in awe before Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, a masterpiece that continues to inspire and fascinate. We've sauntered through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, immersing ourselves in the elegance and luxury that defines Milan's fashion scene. Finally, we've gazed upon the Duomo di Milano, an architectural marvel that dominates the city's skyline, embodying the spirit and resilience of Milan. Each of these destinations offers a unique insight into the city's rich cultural heritage and vibrant life. Embark on your Milanese journey and discover the rich history, culture, and beauty that this city has to offer. Safe travels.